There's a certain affirmation that when you say, I found from my own experience, it radically changes your bank account. It brings money quick and fast into your life. So when you have no money, say this and you're going to see some amazing results. Or maybe you're doing pretty good financially, but you want more. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what to say to make some incredible shifts financially into your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. So I was about 20 years old and I heard this guy named Bob Proctor say this affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis. And I thought, yeah, right, okay, whatever, not that easy. And I decided to just keep listening to him for a little bit. And he said, just try it. And the results were absolutely amazing and astonishing in my life. It totally and radically shifted everything in my life. My videos started going viral. My books, I got a publishing contract with the #1 publishing company in the world, Penguin Random House, when I was, I think 21 or 22 is when I signed it. Things just happened, out of nowhere. A lot of people say it's lucky. Voltaire said that luck is a word that we invented to explain the known effects of unknown causes. So we say if somebody's financially lucky when we see a lot of money come into their life quickly and unexpectedly, because we don't understand the cause. And the cause is a shift in consciousness. The cause is a shift in perception. You must understand that money is energy. It's not New Age. Everything in the universe is energy. Money is as well. So your bank account is just a collection off your consciousness. And you can use this affirmation to shift your consciousness radically. So what I invite you to do is to take this statement, write it on an index card, and carry it around with you everywhere that you go. Write it on an index card. I would just write it on an index card and carry it in my hand everywhere I went with me, because I realized I had been so deeply programmed to say the opposite. I always said in my head, I didn't realize it. I thought I was just affirming reality, but I was always talking to myself about how I don't have enough money. Well, of course I didn't have enough money. That was my affirmation. See, affirmation is kind of a new age word, but everybody has an affirmation all the time. Psychologists say you have 65,000 thoughts every day. Those are affirmations. They're habitual. They're the same thoughts as the day before. So you have certain thoughts about money, certain affirmations about money, and they're the same as they were the day before, And a lot of them are, I'm broke, it's not that easy, it's too hard, I don't have enough, money's the root of all evil, I'm not smart enough. You got to get rid of that. Just try this. Just please, give it a try, please. And see what happens. So, comment down below. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis. This opens the floodgates. And I'll leave you with a quote from Napoleon Hill from his famous book, Think and Grow Rich. He said, riches, when they come in such vast quantities and so quickly that one wonders where they were hiding all those lean years. Where were they hiding? They were hiding just beyond the realm of visible light, waiting for you to call them into existence, waiting for you to step out of your old, redundant thought patterns about money, waiting for you to call something new in. So say it. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Be sure you hit the like button on this side or this side right over there. That will send this out into the YouTube universe so more people can change their thought patterns about money. Imagine if everybody just started saying, I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis. See if you can say it enough times that you start to feel different. You start to feel excited, like you feel like something good is about to happen. And when that starts to be the new emotion, oh my gosh, you're going to see some fantastic things come into your life. So comment down below, I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis. I'm so happy and grateful to hear about the great things that are about to head your way. Remember, money is just energy. And you can call that energy into your life. If you haven't yet, make sure you check out my free success hypnosis right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. Pinned to the comments, you'll see it. See, I get it. It's like, oh, this guy making an affirmation, so silly. This doesn't work, BS. I get it. I was there too. But then I realized that the reason that my affirmations weren't working is because I had a subconscious pattern, a subconscious program that was blocking me from attracting what I wanted. I realized I had all these old limiting beliefs about who I thought I was and what I thought I was capable of and how much money I thought I could earn and all these things. And I realized just like a computer, and you can update the computer software to make your computer perform better, you can update the software in your subconscious, the programming in your subconscious about money. And in return, it's going to change the amount of digits or zeros in your bank account for the better. So right there down below is my free success hypnosis. Right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Right there down below. Have a great day. Use this affirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through many sources on a continuous basis.